Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have data, and you need the two summary numbers now. First, place values in a single column and compute the mean using equals average, range, and standard deviation using equals stdev. S range. Once done, pick an X range, either the full data min/max or mean plus and minus 3 times the SD. Create a column for X values starting at the lower bound and increment by a fixed step like 0. 1. These steps prepare X cell to compute the normal density next. Now calculate the distribution values so you can visualize and analyze it. In the adjacent column, enter equals norm. Dist, cell with X, cell mean, cell SD, falsa to get the probability density for each X. False returns the PDF rather than cumulative probabilities. Drag or double-click the fill handle to copy the formula through all X rows so every point has a density. If you need cumulative probabilities instead, change the last argument to true. Make sure references to mean and SD are absolute if needed. Finish by turning numbers into a chart that confirms everything looks normal. Select the X column and the PDF column, insert an XY scatter with smooth lines so the curve is continuous, and adjust axis limits to your chosen range. Add a vertical line or marker at the mean and optionally at mean plus or minus 1 SD for context. If the curve looks jagged, reduce the step size or ensure formulas copied correctly. If values are wrong, verify you used stdev. S and absolute cell references for mean and SD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.